We're gonna take care of the post before moving on to the stonework. I want to fill up all the holes in the stone. There was one gap here, another big gap up there, and all the sides. So for the big gaps, I'm gonna use the JB Weld wood filler. Comes in color white. Out of the tube, I already applied some here, and once it's dry I can sand it, and I'm gonna do the same on top. And this is the paintable silicone indoor outdoor for door and window that I can use for filling up the corners. The reason I want to get the paint on the post and be done with it is because later when the stone comes, this is already painted and caulked, so the stone comes to the post and we're done. There's no more trying to tape up the stone to get the paint on and so on, which would be a much difficult task to do. Same thing on this side, so it should take about a half hour to do all this. Famous half hour, probably 2 hours, but that's what we're gonna do. After several rounds of wood filler, sanding, wood filler, sanding over and over, this is the best I could do for this surface. Still a little bumpy, but I'm hoping that paint will cover it and it won't show too much. That's it. We're taped up, ready to go. We're gonna apply the paint. Round one of paint has gone on. Waiting for it to dry, and once it dries, we'll apply the second. I went ahead and took the gutter out just so I can get paint behind it nicely. Second layer of paint was applied, and that's where we're gonna stop. Hopefully the rain is not gonna be a driving rain and hit it sideways, but I put the gutter back. It looks good to me. Let's just hope it dries fast enough like it did on the first coat. Pretty close match, considering the other ones are dirty looking. You can't tell, but it's not 100% match. It's pretty close. A little bit on the yellow side. Getting ready to install the stones for the siding, which is the last thing left to do. After searching on the internet, looks like Type S is the mix we need. I couldn't find it pre-mixed, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. In ultimate guy fashion, I never read instructions because who reads them? And I think I put too much water initially, so I've been having to add more and more of the sand to get it to mix. I'm gonna put it on. I guess that's how you put it on. We'll find out together. Now looks like I want to go with the flat after all. I don't know, this doesn't look very inspiring. I don't think this stuff is the right consistency. Yeah, I don't feel it. I don't think this is right. It's on there, but it's not on here. No, I don't like this. Alright, well, I got the consistency like I was supposed to. But I believe, pretty sure, this is not what I need to use for this application. Because as you notice, it will not stick to the wall. And looking at what the builder had originally done, the material they used looks a lot more fluid, less sandy, more glue-like. So I need to figure out what other products are out there that may apply better and act more like a glue than anything for this application, because this ain't it. So we'll save the rest of that and somehow get rid of this. There's 50 pounds of nothing there.